Conor McGregor, the notorious mixed martial arts superstar, has finally spoken out following a shocking court decision that shocked the world. What does McGregor think about being ordered to pay your $250,000 after losing a highly publicized rape case? But do not go just yet, for this story goes beyond your wildest dreams, and you will not want to miss his response. Controversy is something that Conor McGregor is no stranger to. Amazing victories, intense rivalries, and a fair amount of personal drama have characterized Conor McGregor's career, which has earned him a reputation as one of the most fascinating people in MMA. This time, though, rather than his performance in the octagon, the spotlight is on a legal battle that has surprised his fans and his critics. Today, we will take you by the hand and show you the case details, the fallout from the court's decision, and most importantly, Conor McGregor's first public comment. The story takes unexpected turns as it follows his rise to MMA champion status and the legal troubles that have overshadowed his career. Sit back and pay attention all the way to the end, because there is a lot to look at. Before we get into the issue, let's think about how McGregor became so popular. The story of McGregor has always been one of yearning and defiance, beginning with his humble beginnings in Dublin, Ireland, and continuing through his ascent to international fame. He built an empire around his name and commercial ventures, broke records, and was in some of the most intense UFC bouts of all time. But scrutiny followed fame. Thanks to his acerbic personality and often publicized disputes, McGregor was a polarizing figure. His ardent followers looked up to him as an example of unwavering self-assurance and hard work. When his critics pointed out his careless actions and lack of concern for the consequences, he became a symbol of the negative side of fame. The court battle that now defines McGregor's life began when a woman accused him of rape. The alleged incident occurred in 2018, and after McGregor denied the allegations, the case eventually reached the courts. Since the parties involved told different stories, the proceedings remained secret for a long time. The media was shocked when the decision was finally announced. Court rules against McGregor, orders damages payment of your $250,000 to plaintiff. The decision did not lead to a criminal conviction, but it severely diminished McGregor's reputation. A deluge of reactions ensued after the court's decision. A lot of McGregor's admirers were shocked and disappointed, and they wanted to know how this would impact his career. Hashtags pertaining to the case were trending worldwide, and online discussions spanned the gamut from compassion to outrage. Opponents, on the other hand, saw the ruling as a moment of truth. They said that the court's decision was a step towards accountability and that McGregor's ostentatious reputation had long overshadowed his actions. Finally addressing the problem in a statement that has divided the public, McGregor finally addressed it after days of speculation. His legal team argued he was innocent and called the outcome a miscarriage of justice. The case, according to McGregor, was based on fabricated accusations, and he intended to contest the decision. "I still stand by that today. I have always maintained my innocence," McGregor continued in his comment. "This conclusion is not in line with reality. I will continue to fight to get my reputation cleared." Concerned about the impact on his loved ones, fans, and career, he expressed concern over the lawsuit. McGregor's remarks were controlled and calculated, but they were nonetheless noticeable. His fans rallied behind him as his critics accused him of avoiding responsibility. The comment has only added fuel to the fire of the ongoing debate. The fallout from this case might be particularly significant for an athlete like Conor McGregor, whose reputation is built on an air of superhuman strength and charisma. His fighting tactics, fight deals, and financial aspirations can all be impacted by the controversy. The fighter's sponsors are supposedly already considering switching allegiances. In addition, the UFC is in a tough spot right now, despite the fact that it has traditionally stood behind McGregor during his disagreements. Will they cut ties with their best athlete in order to protect their brand, or will they remain loyal? Despite all that has happened, McGregor has remained defiant. He is determined to return, according to his friends and family, and not just in the ring but also in the eyes of the public. Many people have strong opinions on Conor McGregor's legacy. Some see him as a pioneer for popularizing mixed martial arts. Some have even said that his antics off the cage are more impressive than his actual work. This lawsuit and its outcome add another aspect to his legacy, one that could shape how he is remembered in the future. Will the notorious conclude here, or can McGregor restore his reputation? Everyone is curious about that, fans and naysayers included. One of the most intriguing aspects of this case is the division it has caused within McGregor's audience. There are his ardent supporters who believe he is innocent and see the outcome as an injustice. On the other side, there are many who feel lied to and who think McGregor's actions have brought shame on the sport and everything it represents. Not limited to McGregor, the issue encompasses accountability, fame, and the pros and cons of public attention. Regardless of your feelings towards him, McGregor's story has sparked a conversation beyond the realm of MMA. Where does this leave Conor McGregor? According to his lawyers, he plans to appeal the decision, which will keep the legal battle going for a long time. While this was going on, McGregor dropped hints that he might return to the octagon, and rumors of potential fights in 2024 were flying. The road ahead will be difficult for McGregor. It will take more than words to mend fences, repair his image, and restore his stature as a top-tier athlete. Actions will speak louder than words. The challenges of fame, power, and the spotlight are mirrored in this story, and it's not just about Conor McGregor. Nothing, no matter how subtle or denied, is immune to the consequences of one's actions, and this is something that this serves as a reminder of. This story shows fans how to put the athlete before themselves. It serves as a wake-up call for McGregor, providing an opportunity for self-reflection, growth, and proof that he is capable of overcoming mistakes. With his quiet, following his lawsuit defeat, and your $250,000 payment order, Conor McGregor has given the world a lot to think about. How this chapter of his life plays out will be determined by the road ahead, his actions and words. Whether he emerges stronger or allows the issue to define him is still up in the air. In your opinion, how has Conor McGregor dealt with the situation? Is his evaluation correct, or do you think there's more to the story? Make sure to leave a comment below with your ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated on all your favorite stars and athletes. Do not miss what is coming up next. Stay tuned.